because tindi koligi kero kyo president na bwato kogani okwo ngante ne no boraibwe ensera kini boni gano bojumbe bwa borabu nkoligi Aliborabu is where Dr. Fred Matiang'i comes from.
Yes.
Can you imagine how much of an embarrassment or a humiliation it will be to him as a president? Umobunge oye abaskoba bwekia making out. It will look like wandwa mbamu ancheti mbamu supported umuntu wangiru no enkuruka.
You could still enter into a coalition.
No mojumbo oye no bwe party ngao. Hapana ndugu.
Yes.
In politics, loyalty to the party. Not 10% loyalty, not 40% loyalty, but 110% loyalty to the party. You want to 110% loyal to the party. Any other interests, secondary interests, those are called secondary interests. Primary interests, boniga. Ni the presidency ni biroge bibinde and we have to focus there nandugo katutwale one united team. Yes, there are people bako go Dr. Fred Matiang'i achita kauye kiama kiabande but I want to tell Kenyans that some of the political parties you see ne vyama vya kabeiro lakini bigacha bigabari branded bigacha nchigwelieta kwa mfano boni ganak Kenya ya Martha Karua Teyo igachia kayonchore elieta squeeze ekoro ku PLP. Yeah? PLP. People's Liberation Party.
Alright.
Ekiama kia Wiper. Kia kabe kia karukirunga Wiper Party. Boniga ekoroku Wiper Patriotic Front WPF.
Alright.
Nera chenjiti elieta. Evyama ne vingetu atware Kenya. Vigo chicha vikoroku elieta kete ya chenju. Unabona for example UPA yeto bwate gusia. United Progress Alliance eya karukiru PED Party of Economic Democracy nje ninke manyete kiama keribia because kiama kerie kero kya cross uno na lenge ne kero kya abarai bayo ikaransamo cross documentation ko sajili chama keria. I was there.
All right.
So my point is this. Mwafasikunya kukumi mono nga ekene kia so and so ekene kia so and so. Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, the former president, or Kiromanu Thomas Kani, or Moire Kiamagia Jubilee. The reason Natarage Chenchirieta is as because Mogusibwe Katako Nyarakoa, Dr. Fred Matiang'i Chikurabwe.
Okay.
Aba Gusito Bate Chikura 3 million. Because Gusii na Nyamira, we have 1 million votes. Lakini aba Gusii Balisco ya Gusii, there are more. Dani aba Gusii bale Gusii because amalema aketa Gusii ando bagachikoligia amalemosko. Wana aba Gusii bale Narok, aba Gusii bale Trans Nzoia, aba Gusii bale Kasarani, aba Gusii bale Kawangware Kangemi, aba Gusii bale Mombasa bale Mutwapa, ebara abange kubwa aba Gusii bale in Kiseland. So in total we have about 3 million votes.
Okay.
Lakini Lindo Mheshimiwa Matiang'i yakobo obo president. Naga the support ya other communities. Aba ikoyo banchire gotobwatesi. Lakini nkikera akoro moiko yache gwake kura setebe because yotali moiko ya is if you give them a political party ereyomonto. For example, ole teraba iko Jubilee party na wako yanje.
Okay.
Because this was their party. This was the party of their leader. Mbabuate attachment nobo sani nero. Okwanyorongo moikoyo nere gwetera so gotumie kiameke kia chage tuno moikoyo kwenyole ile chikura kuruororo.
Okay.
Ngobono goikali gotumio bongai ne chiagusi already na bwate. Inkiama kyako ile linanyolera nina chirichi na menterani elinda ike 8 million votes.
The history of this country moraye korokinga ebyama byagambire na kongunende kunyarokoba